Maya. Welcome. Nice meeting you. I've only heard your name. Hello, Paul. Hi, Willie.
Hello. Hello. Thank you for welcoming me.
Nice to have you. Hi, Paul. Nice seeing you too.
And you?
Hi, Maria.
Hi, Willie.
Hi, Maria.
We did it specially for you on a Saturday, hey? How are you doing?
I'm good. And you? Are you
Excellent.
super excited?
You guys are going to see what we have. You're going to love it.
Okay.
You guys have spoken and we have listened. You're all going to like it.
A wonderful good evening, Maria.
Hello, Rolando. It's so nice seeing you.
I hope you could take a rest.
I did. It wasn't a good rest, but I did get some rest. But I'm so excited anyway. I'll go sleep afterwards.
Yeah, same here.
You're welcome, eh? Welcome to the family. It's nice to have you here.
Thank you.
We're just going to wait a bit. Hi, Helen. Nice to see you here, all the way from Greece. Hi, Tiamo. Good to see you. Hello, Paul. How are you doing there in New Zealand? Australia? No, Australia, not New Zealand.
Okay, good.
How are you? Nice to have you guys. Welcome, everybody. Hi, Pekka. Prisha, my friend. Nice to see you. Hello, TJ. Hello,
Hi,
Asim. Maniam. Hi, Cressida. Good to see you.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. We like just letting everybody in to make sure that we've got everybody in the Zoom. Welcome, everybody. It's so nice to have you here. And we are really excited. Thank you very much for your time. We really appreciate it. We're going to start soon. Just want to give people about another minute or so, then we can get started. Hi, Werner. How are you? Good to see you. And I think I see Vinit as well with another name that I'm not 100% sure about, but I think it's him. Welcome. Good to see you again. Hi, Wayne.
Yes, I'm here, Maria. I'm here.
Nice seeing you again.
Hello, good evening.
Hi,
Very good
Pierre.
evening.
And welcome to our new African leader. It's good to have somebody else from Africa. We will meet soon. I just want to say hello to everybody that I have not seen. Okay, we're close to the 5 minutes past. Hello, Abby. Hello, Ron. Hi, Josh. Good to see you all. We're all really excited and we're so happy to have you here. Anybody who is totally new, feel free to unmute and just say hello if you want to. Hi, Abby. Thanks for the heart. Okay, guys, it is 5 past. Let me just... Thank you very much for all of you joining us today for this soft launch of Crybex. For those who don't know me, I'm Maria Elizabeth, and I'm co-founder and CEO with Coded Plants of Crybex Technologies. It is a wonderful, wonderful evening for us today. And for me especially, it is a really, really important day. For many reasons. One of them is that for more than 10 years, I've been looking for passive income. More than 10 years ago, I put together bots and trading. And never in my wildest dreams did I ever imagine we would end up here. I would like to welcome all of you. Welcome to the family. And welcome to this life-changing experience and company. And I would like to tell you the story. My passion is to have people have financial freedom, whatever it means for them. And I would like to tell you today that one of our very first investors, an ex-banker, has quit his job because of Crybex and has gone away from 9 to 5 so he can live his dreams. And that is what makes it worth it for me. And I want to have the impact on many, many people in that manner. I'm going to hand over to Natalie so that Natalie can do the presentation for us. Thank you very much, everybody. We value your time and we value you as investors. Thank you. Over to you, Natalie.
Maria. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Guys, welcome. I'm excited to be here and introduce you this huge opportunity in this platform. It is a great day to us all. So we allowed it a few moments for everyone to settle in. We love seeing the community. It's always inspiring to see that we are spanning around the globe, right? So we are officially initiating Crybex soft launch today. If you look in our roadmap, in Crybex roadmap, you can see that the work started in 2019, right? But today we initiate the official soft launch. Welcome aboard. For those who don't know me, I'm Natalie. I'm the Director of Corporate Communications, and I'm going to be your host for today's presentation. I'm going to share my screen. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So we can see Crybex in action. Let me open this in here. Can you see my screen? Just put a thumbs up so I know that we are good to go. Keep in mind, thank you, Ron. Guys, keep in mind that today's session is focused on expanding our perspective in the crypto market, right? Not just the crypto market, but we can understand the power of compound residual snowball effect. We're going to discover how to strategic partner with Crybex can position you in a long-term wealth creation, just like Maria said that a good friend of hers just quit the 9 to 5. So over the next few minutes, we're going to explore how the AI is transforming today's trading landscape. Why consistency remains a challenge for most of the traders today. It is a challenge for me. I'm a part-time trader. And how we can use a single platform that can enable discipline, precision-based execution. So Maria, she has just introduced herself, Maria Elizabeth Vanikiak. Thank you, Maria. She is the CEO and co-founder of Crybex, alongside with Dr. Cody Plants. But today, we also have here with us, send him Hindi. He is the CMO and he is a respected strategist. He has his communication is known for integrity, for precision, right? He has human-centered leadership and his experience spans elite performance environment. We will have him towards the end of the presentation. He's going to give us a better understanding of Crybex roadmap. We're also going to have a session of Q&A. If any one of you have any questions towards the end, we're going to open up the Q&A session. So use this moment to also invite your friends. If we're missing someone else here, your colleagues, your business partners, everyone who wants to stay ahead in the crypto market. Let's grow together, guys. Let's take advantage of this huge opportunity. So trading, when we think about, isn't just about charts or capital. It's a mirror of who we are. If you are a trader and you know exactly what I'm talking about, when I began trading, I realized very quickly that the performance is inseparable from the mindset. 90% of trading is mindset when we talk about humans, and 10% is chart analysis. So the biggest breakthrough in trading ecosystem doesn't come from chasing adrenaline or quick wins. It will come from learning restraints, to learn that we need to be aware and consistency because we are not machines. So we carry emotions, we carry fatigues, our bias in every decision. The market will expose that instantly. It will throw that in our faces. If you ever traded, you felt this firsthand, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And this is precisely why we're here today. This is exactly why Crybex exists. It is an AI-driven trading platform built for one core objective: consistent, intelligent execution, right? So inside Crybex stack, we have 6 pre-built strategy engines. We have market intelligence engine, we have prediction engine, we have execution engine, which will automatic coordinate the entrance and the exits with precision and speed. We have risk engine. Guys, do me a favor, mute yourselves, please. We have transparency layers, so we have full visibility into the trades, performance metrics, and all the system behavior in one single interface, in one single ecosystem. So there's no guesswork, there's no emotional interference, just structured execution by design. So Crybex operates 6 specialized AI trading models, each engineered for a specific market conditions. We have scalper AI, swing AI, arbitrage AI, trend AI, hedge AI, and we have Sentinel AI. Yes, Paul from UK, welcome aboard. So I'm a scalper. My trades, they last from seconds to minutes. It's built for speed, right? It captures the short price movements and exits just as quickly. We have swing AI that it will hold the positions over long periods. It will capitalize on larger market movements. The arbitrage AI, it will identify the smaller prices and efficiencies across or pairs or timeframes that most traders we miss. We have trend AI when we talk about engaging in the strong movements using the adaptive positioning sizing. We have the hedge and the sentinel strategies, which are the ones that will protect us, right? It will act as a deploying defensive position during sudden volatility. The Sentinel AI, which is our system guardian, it will limit overtrading, right? It will pause activity during higher risk events and will relocate capital as market condition changes. So picture this, we have Bitcoin dropping 3% in 5 minutes. Everyone loses their minds. Everyone starts selling, going crazy. So Sentinel AI will react strategically. It will reduce the exposure instantly and will protect capital before the losses escalate, right? So this is the 6 AI trading tools that Crybex uses. So the AI trading applies machine learning models that they are continuously learning, and they interpret the market behavior and they act automatically. So in simple terms, we have the system learning how price moves and responding with logic and not emotions. So it will continue evaluating how price behaves at a certain key levels, which is super important. It will evaluate the strength behind each move and the volume that comes with that, how volatile the market is, where liquidity sits, the balance between buyers and sellers. So it will analyze overall market psychology, right? So the speed that we talk about, it has no context between humans and machines. So AI responds faster than we can even think about it. We know this for sure, right? So from there, we know that the AI will identify the market in terms of probabilities, directions, trend, strength, potential reversals. So when the condition aligns, we have the AI executing instantly. No fear, no hesitation, no impulse, no revenge trade, and everything that we have as a fault in humans, machines, they eliminate that. So risk management is automatically set up through stops, sizing, and drawdowns control. So humans, we react. Machines, they calculate. And that difference is the edge between our failure and a machine's success. So why AI has such advantage on us? First of all, they never step away, right? We need to sleep. We are tired. We need to recharge. AI is constantly active. Many of the biggest market moves, they happen while we are offline. AI will process more data than we could ever imagine processing. So when I'm analyzing charts, I can analyze 1 to 2 charts simultaneously. AI processes data at a huge scale. So they evaluate dozens of variables simultaneously, continuously. On that spirit, I'm going to introduce you now the Crybex compensation plan and how you can profit for it. So ladies and gentlemen, in this part, that's where we all love to talk about, right? In this part of the presentation, I'm going to walk you through how you get paid, how you can understand the whole structure, how you can build the long-term recurring income through Crybex, right? So we simplified the model. So we want to make it easier for everyone to understand. We made it more profitable and easier to calculate your earnings. So I'll keep it very practical. I'm going to give you some examples so you can see how would that work for you and your team. So we're talking about 2 main components. right? Now we have the compensation plan that is built around two main income streams. We have the direct network commission, and we have the recurring trading profit share. So what you earn in the direct network commissions is when the people in your network make those deposits. And when we talk about the recurring trading profit share, it's what you earn long-term from the trading profits generated on your downline's capital. So we've combined the network allocation model and the compensation structure so that you can very quickly calculate what you earn from each deposit and each level of your network. Let's give a hypothetical example so you can understand the bigger picture, right? Let's say someone on your level 1 deposits $1,000. So for your first level of $1,000, you take 100% times 10%. So that result is your commission. On the fifth level, for example, someone deposits $1,000, you take 60% times 3%, and that gives your commission on that deposit. So for every level, you have a clear percentage allocation, and you can quickly see exactly what you're going to earn from each deposit on your structure. Right? So on the top of your recurrent commissions, you have your long-term. We added, so keep in mind that as your team trades and generate profits, you earn profit share from those trading results across your qualifying levels on your network. So you have those two types of layers combined and working together. Right? So immediate commissions from deposit plus long-term recurrent commissions from trading profits. You don't only earn when someone deposits, but you earn from the trading profits. So you're going to understand. You understood now the commissions, the rewards, right? And all of that is available to withdraw right away. You don't have to wait for a period. All the time when we talk about the commissions, the profits, they are instantly available for withdrawal inside the system. The only thing that has a time condition is your capital investment itself. So keep in mind, your investment is in a 3 months staking period for 90 days. So during that period, your capital is locked for growth, for stability, performance. All the rest you can withdraw immediately. If you decide to withdraw your capital that has been invested before 90 days, you can do so. There is a 28 penalty for capital withdrawal of that, but all of that is available right away for your withdrawal or your reuse inside the platform. All right. So you have the deposit, the stacking, the profit withdrawals, and the capital withdrawals. Everything resided in one single interface. Let's talk about another layer of possibility, which is the rewards and ranking, is when you build up a business around this structure, right? So Crybex has started an affiliate leaderboard. It's when we create a huge network below our name, our downlines, and we start making a business out of it. We can see their positions in referral activity in the months. They're going to launch more details dropped in the Telegram group. Maria, do me a favor and put in the chat the Telegram group. So whoever is not in there yet, just enter so you can stay up to date. So we're going to launch an affiliate leaderboard. Leaders will see their positions and it will receive awards for the top 3 best, monthly awards for the top 3 best leaders. So on the top of standard commissions, Crybex also offer rank rewards and leadership incentives. So let's understand how it works. We're going to navigate inside the back office in a little bit so we can understand all the structures of the interface. But before that, I want to walk you through the slide so you can see exactly what you need to achieve each reward. So you can unlock the partnership rewards and the capital credits at different career levels, right? You're building up a career here, guys. So you have the minimum deposit of 100, and you can withdraw your reward in cash or equal value alternative. So let's take a guide tour of the understanding of each part of your career, right? The first one, when you enter as a partner, you have some requirements to fill it out so you can receive the rewards. So the personal deposit is 500, the minimum. In your first level, you can see that it will need 2,000 and volume, and the team volume 5K. When you achieve these requirements, you're going to receive $150 in reward that you can withdraw immediately, instantly, withdrawal available, or you can load up in your trading capital credits, whichever you prefer. Second one, active partner requirements, personal deposit 1,000. This is manageable. This is a ledger that anyone can scale. Level 1 volume, 8,000, team volume, 20K. When you achieve that, reward $600 in cash, or you can use the platform and credits, whatever you choose. Team builder, when you start getting serious about it, personal deposit 3K. Level 1 volume 20,000, team volume 80,000. This is all of you combined. You count as well. Reward 2,500 cash. International conference travel pack capped at 2,500 as well. Your choice. Area leader, personal deposit 6,000, level 1 volume 40,000, and team volume 300K. Rewards $12,000, and high or end office upgraded bundle up to 12,000 as well. Your choice again. Regional leader, 10,000 in deposit, level 1 volume 50K, team volume 900,000. Your reward $36,000, or 36,000 in electronics or wallet allowance, or 36 in capital allocation. National director. Now you've gone now. You're good to go. You're established yourself. You have a reward of 120 in cash, or vehicle contribution 120, or 120 managed trading allocation. Whenever you meet up, the personal deposit of 20,000, level 1 volume 150K, and team volume 3 million. You're moving on to continental director. Personal deposit 40,000, level 1 volume 400,000, team volume 9 million. When you achieve that, you receive a reward of $350,000 in cash, or the SUV contribution on the same value, or portfolio allocation. Global director, personal deposit 75K, level 1 volume 1,200,000, team volume 25 million, reward $1 million in cash, 900,000 in real estate contribution, or $1 million in capital pool credit. We have the final level, and I want to see whoever is in this room. We're going to make a bet. Whoever is in this room that's going to achieve the presidential partner requirements, personal spot 150, level 1 volume 3 million, team volume 60 million, rewards 2,400,000 in cash, or in equity, buy-in credit, or in capital allocation. It will include unlock annual profit shares. Guys, we're giving you a whole understanding about the whole structure. Every question that you have, you can address towards the end of the presentation, and even further than that. In the future, any question that you have the Telegram group, or you have your uplink, the person who invited you here, right, to get to know Crybex. So we are going to navigate now. We're going to take a guide tour through Crybex dashboard so we can help you navigate the platform confidently. It's nothing hard. It's super straightforward. So let me show you how we have it in here. In the home page, you can scroll and explore and review each section on your own pace, right? You have it in here on the right. Overview all the Crybex capabilities. So after subscribing, and keep in mind, guys, always subscribe through the referral link of whoever invited you here. Don't you ever come here and just register by yourself. Otherwise, you're going to break the chain, right? The affiliate program, it has this mentality of always building up network, right? Projecting onward, expanding your front line, expanding your baseline. So always invite someone in using your referral link. Don't you ever invite someone in just saying, oh, log in. And the same goes whenever someone invite you. So let's talk about the package and the bot subscription, because we also simplify that as well, right? So after you subscribe using the referral link, you are going to present it with the subscription overview. So now we have only one package. So the bot subscription fee is flat at $29, right? You have the minimum deposit to work with the bot is $500, and there is no maximum, there is no left. You can deposit as much as you want. So again, one package, flat fee of $29, monthly subscription. The first 30 days, you can opt out to test the platform. Minimum deposit of $500. No upper limit on how much you can put in. On that note, it is important that you do not have to invest your own capital to start earning with Crybex. Right? If someone that doesn't have the money to invest right in, but you know people who do, you can start building your network, you can start referring your partners, and you can earn commissions from their referrals, deposit, and trading. And you can use those earnings to eventually fund your own subscription and investment. So this is something that is amazing. For example, I'm going to show you here in the wallet. You can see that this account here, it's not in wallet, sorry, in the referrals. So you can see it in here that this account is a real example of what happened. We have emptied this account. It had no investment because we wanted you to have a look on how to profit without even putting money on the inside, just by referral. So this money that you see over here, it is the compound value of the past 45 days, only with referral commission. And then you can transfer to your wallet and to your subscription in the future. So this is amazing. This is a huge opportunity. When you assess profile, what you're going to see is the user ID, right? Your personal details. You're going to have your contact information. You have your referral link. So this page serves as a central record of your account information. Super simple, nothing complicated. So to ensure security, any modification that you would like to do regarding your personal data that you cannot change it here, it's exclusively through support, right? Make sure that you have your 2FA enabled here. You enter your password and you enable, you're going to see a QR code. And then you're going to serve and secure in your two-factor authenticator. I use my Google one. You can choose. There's some multiple options in the market, but you always have to align your 2FA with the platform, right? Another layer of security for us. To deposit, guys, whenever you want to start using the platform and you're ready to deposit, we go to wallets. And you're going to click over here. You're going to see your wallet. I'm going to walk you through in depth a little bit, but let's talk about deposit. So you click on deposit, you're going to see on the left all the supported coins, right? You choose, for example, USDT, and then you're going to choose and select the network that you're going to deposit from, TRX, right? Such an example. The platform will generate the wallet details that we need. Now we're going to go to our own exchange, external exchange, and we're going to complete the transfer, inserting the wallet information over there, obviously with the same coin and the same network, right? Once the deposit is confirmed, it will go back and appear in your total balance. Important note, guys, every time that you want to add funds to the platform, you must create a new wallet. You must do exactly what I did right now, because the system will recognize it correctly. If we reuse the same wallet, it might require manual verification and will delay your account. So after the funds arrive, you can return to subscription and you can purchase your monthly subscription and invest the amount we want, right? Referrals. We're going to come to referrals, and in this section, you can view your downlines and related transactions. So you also find your referral link over here, your current tier, and your overall view of your referral activity. When someone you refer to makes a deposit, keep in mind that you also earn a commission. Below, you can see the total commissions, the ledger balance, the available balance. To move your balance to your wallet, you're going to click in transfer. But before that, I want to talk about something that I particularly find magical about this platform, which is the visualization of your downlines. I'm not going to click in here because it contains sensitive information about the whole downlines of this account. But whenever you click on downline, you can see every single person that is below and their information and how much they're profiting and what is the side of their downlines. So you know exactly what is in game for it. You know exactly the whole analytics of your referral structure. generated by entirely. So this is something that I find it very useful. We're talking about networking in here, and this is huge. This is a great milestone, technological milestone for the platform, right? So when we want to transfer, you just click with one button, transfer. It's going to say that it's back to your portfolio. And this confirmation will route the funds directly back to your wallet. And you can also review you see it in here. Now we have the 600, right? Before it was 400. So whenever you transfer the profits that you have received, you can transfer directly to your wallet. Over here, you can also review your deposit history, right? Which includes the internal transfers, just like the one that we just did, 2019, as well as your withdrawal history showing both confirmed or pending withdrawals. The withdrawal timing, when it comes to withdrawal and commissions and profits, we're talking about something around 3 to 6 hours. Usually is processed under 3 hours, can take up to maximum 6 hours. So keep in mind this range. So when we withdraw the funds, this you can also see your withdrawal histories, right? So you go to your portfolio. You can also click in your withdrawal. You can see it over here, the balance, the 24. So what are you going to do? It's the inverse route that you took. Let me admin J in here. Hold on, guys. Okay. So you can always do the inverse route of the deposit, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to select a coin. You're going to select also the network. And what you're going to do, you're going to insert here your wallet address, right? That generated from your own exchange. You want to choose how much you want to withdraw, the amount that you want to put it in here, or 25, 50, 75, or 100. You choose the one that best suits you in the moment. But keep in mind, guys, you're working with compound effect. There's residual snowball effect. So always, always in your entire life, everything that you make, always separate a portion to reinvest. It doesn't matter if it's a digital asset, if it's a platform, obviously we're talking about Crybex, but always reinvest. This is how you build up long-term wealth. This is how we position ourselves in the 1%, guys. So keep in mind that to withdraw, you're going to use the 2FA code. Remember the one that generated, you're going to go into your authenticator and you're going to put the code in here. This is great. This is another layer of security. We made sure that we have our capital protected and no one else will be able to withdraw unless they have our factorial authenticator, right? Inside your portfolio wallet, we can see our diversified holdings. This account here has traded in 35 different digital assets. The account is currently fully allocated in USDT. This is why it's shown here is 100%. You can also go, this is extra information. You can also go to orders. In order selection, you're going to view all the active trades over here in open orders. If the bot is running a trade at the time that you're looking at, you're going to have it open in here. You can see the order history. The trades are executed in pairs, and you can see each entry shown, such as the time, the pair, the quantity, and it also shows you the realized profit and loss with a breakdown per trade and a total summary. Right, we can see it in here, 168 trades, 175 total profit and loss, and you can see all the breakdown per trade. Okay, so on the main page, we also have in the market, you'll find access to trading tools and to market information. Those who choose to trade manually can come here and do so. So this section is optional and is intended for experienced users. Guys, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't understand about this universe, you know nothing about analytical, about geopolitics, do not advantage yourself in here. This is exactly why Crybex has put in the AI bot in action. But if you prefer to have your hands-on trading, you can always open up and you can see that the interface include advantage trading features such as leverage, real-time charts, AI-driven indicators, in-depth market analysis. So you can opt to trade in here. On that spirit, the core function of Crybex is when we understand about the bot performing the operations for us. So we have a software managing all the trades activity in our behalf, right? They are continuously monitoring performance through our wallets and through diversified holdings. You can easily view your assets and their allocations percentage at any time that you wish. Okay, so together, all these sections completed the Crybex dashboard overview. I love presenting it because something that I'm enthusiastic about it. I hope you guys felt the energy. So let's go back and recap the summary. So the plan, it's simple to calculate, right? It gives you immediate commissions that you can withdraw instantly. It gives you recurrent profit share. It has a powerful ranking reward as soon as you decide to enter and make this a business in your referral whole system. You can have the rewards from the ranking and even a path for people to start without even investing their own funds if they choose to do so, right? So we have seen today Crybex Technologies Limited. We presented one-stop AI crypto exchange where the impossible becomes inevitable, offering financial success for everyone, guys. Thank you so much. Sam, we see Sam in here. Let's see if we have. Otherwise, I'm going to bring in Maria. Maria is muted. Let me ask you unmute herself.
Okay, Natalie, I believe that she dropped off. She'll be in a sec.
All right. Do we have Sam on board?
Unfortunately, no, I can't see him. I can't see him on board. It's a bit early here. It's 7:30 in the morning in Sydney, Australia.
All right.
So I don't think so. So I just got a message from Maria. She'll be on, guys. So just
How
give
do
her
you
a
like
minute.
the whole system, Adam? Talk to me. What do you thought about it?
Look, guys, this is amazing.
Natalie,
And you and I, as we are alike, we are both traders, and I just woke up this morning, believe it or not, about 5 in the morning, seeing the crypto market crashing. So having Crybex as a secondary diversifying my portfolio, I'm watching the system, USDT coming into my account daily. So not watching it, it's actually a bonus. So that's an amazing thing to have as a trader. And I always advise people, to diversify your portfolio. And as a trader, that I do trade, but at the same time, I like to have something on the side with AI bots that work, that I don't have to watch and analyze the charts. So it's an amazing platform. So I think she's back on.
Amazing platform.
Thank you so much, Adam. Thanks, Natalie.
My pleasure, Maria. Thank you, guys. Without further ado, Maria.
Sorry, guys, I just dropped off. Thank you so much. Sorry, Sam couldn't join us. So we're going to go straight over to the Q&A. But before we even do the Q&A, I would like to everybody, please unmute yourself. One of the things we would like to sort out on this specific Zoom is the time zones for the team leaders so that we can decide which is the correct time zones that will work for all of us. So Vineet, Wayne, all you guys, you team leaders, please unmute and let us know what you need from us regarding the time zones, please.
Hi, good day, everybody. And how's it, Adam? How's it, everybody?
All right, nice.
Yeah, the time zone right now on a Saturday is actually not too bad. I think maybe 1 hour earlier would assist the people in the southern hemisphere, I guess, if you want to call it that. And it'll suit Europe. I don't know if that's, I think, 1 hour difference, but yeah, I mean, 1 hour earlier, if it's going to be a standard time, I would recommend that. But otherwise, a great call. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wayne. Anybody else, please?
Yeah, here is Rolando from Dubai.
Okay, I have already 12:41 a.m. And I fell in love with Natalie. This presentation in 27 years of experience, I never ever experienced the presentation so energetic, so perfect, and so fluent, so professional. I don't have any more words which are coming into my brain because it's near to 1 a.m. But okay, so, but hopefully we will fill up the rooms very soon, and we will have to make more than one presentation, or maybe in exchange 1 day later, 1 day earlier. So from the timing, I don't know. You have to choose. I will also present when Natalie is not in time, but I would prefer to shut up my mouth and only hear Natalie.
Rolando, I appreciate your compliments. I appreciate so much. What I have to say is whenever we trust a company, a team that is in the background, and you guys don't even know what we go through to create all of this. And when we have this passion, the words, they come out naturally. It makes it easier for us to introduce it to you guys because it's something that is in the core of our system, right? So I appreciate the compliment. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Can we have the recording, please? Because the last part, I don't want to ask questions. I need to review it to hear it more times, especially the last part. The qualifications, the bonus is this. I understood easy, but the trading part, I'm not a so technical person. I know about trading, but you made it so complex, so amazing, and I have to teach also my teams. So I need to know it. Maybe not as perfect as you, but yeah, coming there.
Ronaldo, tell me, for your teams, I know you have 7 countries under your belt. What time zones would you like for which areas?
Well, at the moment, at this moment, I'm mostly Dubai. I have already Dubai, Uganda, Kenya, India, and yeah, maybe soon Pakistan also. And maybe hopefully soon also, because 2 ladies from Dubai are Filipinas. So I hope that I will come to Philippines very soon with my time zones. And I'm watching out also to connect to my Latin American teams, like Brazil, Colombia, and so on.
And if you can give us some feedback as well in those time zones that we have, let's say for Europe, Asia, Africa, what is normally the best time zones for your teams? Let's say the research I've done show that between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. But is that the general thing for everybody, or can you guys advise?
Normally, from the timing, Dubai time, 9 p.m. Is a good time. 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Yeah, 9 p.m. Is also very good. This fits also the Kenya and Uganda 1 hour earlier, and yeah, for Philippines we should make, but this we will make with my team, because then they will talk in Tagalog, and because we cannot make 20 time zones, right? So and we will find out what is happening in Asia, and so on. Yeah, but for now, I want to focus on Dubai and Africa, and India. Yeah, is 10 p.m. is also no problem. Yeah, 10 when we take 8:30 or eight,
Because it looks as if
eight.
most of them are in the evening.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
The
sure,
same thing.
because they
He's
are,
saying the same thing as well.
yeah,
Yeah.
many people are working during the day, so they come home 8 p.m. Or sometimes 9 p.m. and then they are happy if they can watch a live Zoom. Yeah.
Okay. Other of our team leaders in the group, can you please also unmute and tell us from your side how you feel about it?
Yeah, I saw Kangaroo Country.
Yeah, Maria, basically, you could say our the Australian Pacific, Asia Pacific market is like it's really early in the morning. So we definitely have to do a Zoom to cater for Australia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, these regions. So your regions on the other side of the world is
Yeah, I mean, we
yeah,
want to know per Asia, America, Europe, all the different regions, but in those regions, we need to determine which time of the day is the best for them as well.
yeah.
And
Okay,
in
yeah, I can
these
see in
ones,
this.
it looks as if they are all in the evening. So we
Yeah,
need to know
yeah,
if America also in the evening, etc., etc.
okay. And weekends are preferable because of obviously the Monday to Friday work times.
Okay, any other team leaders who would like to give us input on that? Nobody else. Okay, we will communicate in our Telegram groups about this, and you can give us some feedback in those groups as well, because we would like.
Maria, for Pakistan and India.
I was waiting for Asim.
Yeah. For Pakistan and India, this 8 p.m. Dubai time will work for us also.
Okay, 8 p.m. Dubai time. Okay, that's awesome.
So
Any
first
of
of
the
all, I
other
would just like to, Maria, first of all, I would just like to congratulate Natali, right? Because she's given a fabulous presentation.
He always
Yeah,
does.
it's 2:18 a.m. in the morning in India, right? So definitely that we're looking for the time zone that which caters to the whole Asian market, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Dubai even also. So the Middle East region as well, right? So for us, 10 p.m. India time or 9:30 p.m. IST will suits us the best, right? And when we talk about the presentation, when we talk about this whole compensation plan, it's really awesome. It's really mind blowing, right? It's very short, crisp, and very mind blowing sort of a presentation. Also, has been given by Natalie. Apart from that, the compensation plan is also very robust. And with applying this volume distribution formula, the longevity of the company is also very high. So I think that we all gonna rock here, and this company is gonna go great.
Thank you very much, Vineet, and thank you to you and Asif for your inputs in designing it. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, most welcome.
Okay, we'll be working on the different time zones then, but it looks as if in each time zone, the 8 to 10 in the evening is a better time. If you can please let us know, is weekends also better for you? Because it doesn't help we do Zooms and there are no people. We want to help people, so we need people there. It doesn't help we do a Zoom on a Monday or Friday, which is not popular, and we've got nobody there. So please let us know as well, weekends, Saturday, Sunday, or are there some weekdays that you would like it as
We can
well?
have, we can have three Zooms. We can have three Zooms in a week. That will really suffice the whole, right? Till the time we don't have the big community here with us, we can at least have three Zooms in a week, right? So that we'll discuss, right, later onwards that which all days are better for all of us. Obviously, that one day should be in the weekend also because the people will be there. They will be enjoying
That's
the
what we
holidays also.
basically, we decided on 3 Zooms per week at least until we get to one a
Yeah,
day where it's needed.
yeah,
And we were
yeah.
thinking of doing, let's say, a Saturday and a Tuesday, Thursday. But we want to know from our team leaders, because you know where your people are, so that we have the right days and the times in all zones for everybody.
Yeah, that we'll discuss, and I guess that later onwards in the Zoom or in the Telegram group, we'll let you know that what time suits to all of us, right? So we'll come to a mutual understanding that which all days are best for us.
Thank you very much. If you guys can please have that to us, let's say by Monday, Tuesday, so that we can sort it out, because we would actually already start doing these Zooms for this week already. So for this week, we were thinking of doing a Wednesday, Saturday, and a Monday to start off with, so that you just get traction. But we want to do it for the right times and the right zones, so that we can at least help everybody.
But like we need said already, 9:30 is a good time for India. So this is also 8 p.m. Dubai. So we are on the same level. I also have a big Indian team and Pakistan and hopefully soon Bangladesh also on board. So we are going in the same direction. And yeah, Philippines, I hope to can overtake with my team also. And what I was thinking, I was speaking about Brazil and Latin America. This I will overtake because I speak Spanish, Portuguese. Yeah, so
okay, you must find out for us for that zone, which is the best times for them as well. Okay. Then anybody that has a Zoom, even if it's in another language, please let me know. If you want me in there, I'm there for you. Even though I don't understand the language, I'm there to assist you, even if it's just to show my face and be there as the CEO for you. Okay, we will sort this out then between today and on Monday. Is there any other questions that people would like to ask about the presentation, about the compensation plan, about everything that Natalie showed? If there's anything, please unmute you so that we can assist you.
One question I have, what is in my head? Natalie said the free plan is now not until 4,999. It's unlimited.
Yes, you're going to have just one flat rate for your bot of $29, and you can deposit your first month free of bot charges, and there's no limit. So if you deposit a huge amount, you've got no bot fee, and the first month, the first 30 days are free. No
okay,
limit.
great. Thank you.
Any other questions?
Hi, Maria.
Hi, Cressida. How are you?
Okay, and you?
I'm excellent, thanks.
Great. When would we start seeing increased trades happening?
Okay, Cressida, you're talking about the amount of trades?
Yes.
Okay. The bots are set at a very low risk, and due to that, we've got very few trades. It's normally 2 to 3 trades per day. The maximum I've seen is about 5 trades, but that is why we've got a success rate of around about 90%. The moment you set your bot to do 20, 10, 50 trades, it can still do it, but then your success rate goes down. The bot has been tested and refined until we have it now. It gives us that 90% with a very low risk. So it's more about capital preservation and making sure we don't lose money. During this time with all these volatile markets, where the companies were losing, where the investors and traders were losing portfolios and huge portions of their portfolios, our bots still made profit. And it is because of the risk management, and it still stayed around about 90% success rate. That's why.
Okay, great.
I know it's human nature. We want that 90%. We want the 90%, but we want 10 and 20 and 50 of them. I understand that. But if we change that, our 90% rate will go down.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Anybody else?
Hi, Maria. It's Werner here.
Hi, Werner. Nice to see you.
Thanks. I just want to find out the obviously the change in the compensation plan, the the profit share when someone when your downline has a, let's say, profitable trade, when would that kick in? Is it already now being implemented, or is there a cutoff or a starting date when that's going to happen?
It's going to start tonight when they switch the toggle from tonight to tomorrow, when the whole system comes in. So your investors'
Awesome. Okay, so the
investment,
new compensation plan. Okay.
yeah. So your investors' investment is going to be stacked in for 90 days, but all rewards, commissions, as well as your trading commissions are all withdrawal immediately. The minimum withdrawal is $20.
Okay, so your profit is also going to be available then.
Yes, your profits, all your commissions and your rewards, it's only the 90-day that the investment is stacked in or locked in.
Okay. Awesome.
And remember now, if you add to your funds, if you call it a new deposit, unfortunately, because of the system and the days, it will have to count it from that day as a new investment.
Okay, so let's say, for example, you've got $500 and you make a new deposit of, let's say, a month later of $100. Will it bring the whole amount forward or just the $100?
I think it will only be the $100, but I'll just have to confirm with the team for you. It was a question I asked before the Zoom, but there wasn't time to get it sorted out. It was a bit hectic on my side.
Great, thanks.
But I will confirm for you guys. Anything else? Okay, guys, thank you so much. We really value your time, especially on a Saturday. We know time is our most valuable asset, and that's why we don't want to waste it. I would like to welcome you to this family, and I want you to know that you are in a safe space. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We would like to see you in the next Zoom, and it's good to have you with us. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ciao, everybody.
Thank you.
Great call. Thank you.
Thanks, Maria.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, bye.